Good morning everyone. So currently it's 2:10 a.m. Day 3 na namin dito. Well, actually today is our last day dito sa Athens, and magbabas na kami papuntang airport. Try namin nabulin 2:30 yung bus. So yung mga tao ngayon, as you can see, medyo may ilang mga tao ngayon. Pauwi pa lang yan sila. So kami, kaigising lang, paalis na. So Sunday, Easter. So weekend, kaya maraming nagpa-party pa dito, and patapos pa lang sila. Well, for us, our day is just about to start. So yes, habulin namin yung airport bus kasi wala pang mga train ngayon. So let's go. Thankfully malapit lang yung bus stop kung saan umalis yung airport bus. So ang biyahe namin going to the airport is around 1 hour 10 minutes. So baka umidlip muna kami dito. So dahil madaling araw pa, wala pang mga train na available, so bus lang ang pwede papuntang airport. So kung train will take about 40 to 50 minutes I think, or 45 minutes max. Bus will take 1 hour 10 minutes. So yeah, see you later. Dito na kami ngayon sa airport. So it was actually faster than expected kasi 'di ba I mentioned it was around 1 hour and 10 minutes. Dumating kami almost same time ng metro, which is around 40 minutes lang yata. So sobrang bilis lang. Don't know, dahil madaling araw kasi, kaya tuloy-tuloy lang yung biyahe. Wala masyadong stops. And also pala, buti na lang, we left a little bit early. So nagbigay kami ng allowance kasi today, March 31, March 31, nag-daylight saving time na sila, which means na nag-adjust ng 1 hour. Kasi nakita namin sa phone namin na alas 4 na, which dapat 3 o'clock pa lang kasi 'di ba 2:30 kami nakasakay ng bus, or 2:30 umalis yung bus. So after 30 minutes, chinek namin yung time. Nakita namin sa phone kasi 'di ba nag-automatic 'yun kung ano yung oras sa country na 'yun. 4 o'clock na, so nagtataka kami bakit 4 o'clock. So nagulat kami, and then pag-check namin, dahil nag-ano na sila, daylight saving time na sila, kaya 1 hour ahead na sila bigla. Buti na lang, we're still very early. So, and wala masyadong pila. Sobrang convenient lang ngayon. So, nandito na kami. Papunta na kami sa boarding pass namin pa Santorini. Boarding gate. Nagla-lounge daw muna kami. And yeah, excited to go to Santorini. Sa aircraft, kakasakay lang namin. So basically it takes about 45 minutes to get to Santorini. So looking forward to that. So magsi-7 na, 6:43. So 45 minutes to go, and nakakarating na tayo ng Santorini. It's our first time, so excited kami. So see you guys there.
Welcome to Santorini.
nandito na tayo ngayon sa Santorini. So basically 34 minutes lang yung travel natin, you know, from Athens by plane. 34-32 minutes, so medyo saglit lang, mabilis lang. And then hindi ko na na-videoan yung airport dahil nga domestic airport lang siya, maliit lang. So just a couple of minutes, nakalabas din kami agad. And then right after paglabas, the bus was already there. So yung bus is like para siyang tour bus, ganun yung local bus nila. Para siyang coach, ganun. So it's it's 2 euros per person. So buti nakasakay kami agad paglabas. It was already around, anong oras na ba nun? 8:10, ganun. And then the bus leaves at around 8:30, ganun siguro, 8:30 yata. And then ang stop nun is sa Fira, hindi Safira. Ang stop nun is Fira. So Fira is basically yung parang ano nila, city center nila. So parang dun yung pinaka-hub. And then from there may mga buses ulit papunta sa iba't ibang locations throughout Santorini. So pagbaba namin sa Fira, lakad lang konti. So basically nasa baba yun siya and then paakyat. So naglakad-lakad lang kami all the way up, kaya medyo pagod. I think it took us about 30-45 minutes. So nandito kami ngayon sa Pirastofani. So para siyang another village na naman, pero hindi mo siya mapapansin kasi magkakaano lang to, isang path lang siya papunta sa taas. So ibang village naman to. And then ang location ng hotel natin is Imerovili. So yun yung location ng hotel. So we're very much excited, and sneak preview lang. So nakaupo kami dito sa bench, may nakita kaming area dito at sa wonderful spot. So bigyan ko kayo ng preview. So tatalikod lang muna tayo para makita nyo. Ayun o. Yan, medyo nasisilawan ako, but kita nyo ba yan? Sheesh, ang ganda. So wala pang mga view. So makikita nyo lang yung landscape. So para siyang may portion dyan ng island, another island. So basically ang Santorini kasi isang big island talaga siya, pero dahil nagkaroon ng volcano eruption, so nag-separate. So yan yung magiging itsura niyan, yan yung layout. Yan. So parang nandun tayo banda. So nakita nyo ba yun, yung mga, I don't know if it's visible sa video, but it's right there, somewhere there. May mga houses doon na white. So doon tayo papunta, so pataas. So yeah, we're so excited. Can't believe na we're already here. So currently it's 9:10. So medyo dumadami na yung mga tao, but we're happy kasi we were able to spend a couple of minutes alone here. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys Santorini, and we can't wait to experience Santorini as well. So kita-kits ulit mamaya. Oh, ito na tayo. Malapit na. So tanaw ko na, nagiging reality na talaga ang paglalakad namin dito sa Santorini. Yan, no? Just a tip lang, no? So siguro kung plan nyo magpunta dito sa Santorini, and maybe you're gonna stay here for a couple of days, maybe 3 days maybe, or 4 days maximum, we don't recommend bringing yung mga trolley or baggage. It will be very, very difficult. Of course, it depends on the duration of your stay or yung type of travel na gagawin ninyo. But kung specific lang na Santorini lang kayo, or even Athens like ginawa namin, which a total of 4 days, and 2 days kami dito. So we just have backpacks. Tag-isa lang kami ng wife ko. So backpack lang talaga. Kasi kami medyo nagsa-struggle na. Struggle is real kasi nga pataas. So most likely dahil nga pataas yung lakad namin, no? Maybe may effect dahil sa altitude. It's either that or hindi lang kami nag-exercise, kaya nagsa-struggle kami dito. But yun lang yung suggestion ko. Huwag kayo magdala ng maleta or yung trolley kasi mahirap, lalo na maraming stairs, mabato, may mga parts na mabato. And yeah, packet lang ng packet eh. So if ever, backpack lang kayo please. Kung hindi talaga kaya ng backpack and may dala talaga kayong trolley, of course there are options definitely. One is pwede kayo mag-rent a car, but the thing is it's quite expensive, diba? Either depende nga on the duration, kung ilang araw kayo mag-rent a car, it could reach up to 60 euros per day, diba? And maraming nababali-balita about yung safety sa pagdadrive dito sa roads sa Santorini. So may mga balita na medyo hindi ganun ka-safe, diba? Balita lang naman yun. And also another option is to take the bus, but the problem with buses here is yung interval medyo matagal. Yeah, medyo matagal yung interval, so you have to wait. Kami, iba yung trip namin, so naglakad lang kami mula Fira papunta dito. I think it took us about, I don't know, I'm guessing maybe an hour kasi nag-stop pa kami, di ba? Nag-stop pa kami doon. So it took us about an hour, maybe 45-50 minutes. So it's an experience. So yes. And by the way, habang nag-explain ako, andito na pala kami.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Iya. So basically, dahil maaga pa nga, hindi kami nakapag-check-in, but we're thankful kay Mary, who was the receptionist dun sa hotel. She allowed us to keep our things first, and then maglibot-libot na lang muna kami. So we were planning to take the bus, but like what I mentioned earlier, medyo inconsistent yung timings nila. Sabi dun sa schedule, they come every 30 minutes at the top of the hour. So kung alam mo 11 yung trip, and then yung susunod dun is 11:30, but almost 20 minutes na halos hindi dumarating. So may dumaan na van na taxi, and they ask kung gusto ba natin mag-taxi, and sakto kasi maraming tao naghihintay sa bus stop. Sakto 7 yung 7-seater yun, and 7 kami. So what happened was, lahat kami sumakay doon sa taxi, and nakamura kami kasi ang ending is we just had to pay 5 euros para 5 euros para makapunta dito, which is a steal kasi convenient din siya na nakapag-van kami. So Iya is probably the most well-known spot dito sa Santorini kasi this is the tourist spot. And also kung titingnan natin yung island itself, nakalagay kasi ang Iya sa pinaka-edge ng island, kaya ito talaga yung pinupuntahan. But if you really take a look at it, medyo almost similar lang din naman. It just so happen na yung location ng Iya is right at the edge of the island talaga. So we're on our way there. So nalakad kami papunta dun sa edge na yon. Most likely maraming mga tourists kasi it's already, nung oras na ba, 11:30 na. So we'll see when we get there. But yeah, currently yung temperature ngayon medyo mainit na. Yeah, medyo mainit na siya. Around maybe 28, 29, maybe 30s. Mahangin, masarap yung hangin, pero dahil tirik yung araw, medyo mainit. But yeah, pakita ko sa inyo ng itsura when we get there. Nandito kami ngayon sa Salami restaurant dito sa taas ng dito sa Iya. So order kami ng Santorini salad with artichoke. So may zucchini na siya, sun-dried tomatoes and cheese for our salad. Sa main namin, order kami ng rigatoni with chicken. Interesting kasi may prosciutto siya na pork and may mushrooms na rin. We have the pork steaks with paprika sauce and french fries. Let's try muna natin siguro yung rigatoni. Try natin together. Masarap naman siya. But what I noticed is that it would have been better kung medyo may sauce pa. It's a little bit dry now. Pero okay naman yung lasa niya. I think more sauce. Rigatoni is cooked perfectly. Well seasoned yung chicken. The mushroom adds a layer of flavor, which is pretty good. I couldn't taste the pork, so I don't know where it is. But more sauce, it would have been better. So the most beautiful salad I've ever seen. Santorini salad with artichokes. Let's try to eat. Perfect balance. Very refreshing. Savory. Dahil sa capers. May croutons pa. Really good. Let's try them out. Okay, pork steak muna without anything. I like it. Why? Literally para siyang inihaw na baboy. Yun yung lasa niya. Inihaw na baboy sa Pinas. Ganun yung lasa. Nostalgic, nagulat ako. So, lagyan natin ng ganitong sauce. And then, parang pickled onion yata to. So, we'll try it together. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Parang ketchup pero medyo naasim siya. But I like this. Parang inihaw na baboy. But my favorite is yung Santorini salad. It's really good. It's unique. It's very different comparison sa Greek salad. It's got a different component, so different experience, but nonetheless it's very nice. This is a must try until I try something else, that is. Yeah. Hello donkey. So tikman natin. Oh, may hint of parang lemon. Okay, interesting. Refreshing. I like this one. So far, I think the best one. Dito na tayo ulit sa hotel. So nandyan yung yan yung reception. So dito lang pala yung room namin. So as you can see, we occupy the space. So pwede kang mag-chill dyan. Tapos mukhang dito kami mag-breakfast bukas. And then very exciting, meron kaming maliit na jacuzzi. What's good is that kami lang yung nandito. So there's nothing else above us, diba? So kami lang nandito. And then look at that view. Sheesh! Sobrang ganda ng view. Very nice. So tara, room tour na tayo. Pakita ko na sa inyo. So, pwede rin ka rin mag-chill dito. So let's go. Wow, so look at the space. So maliit lang siya but it's very cozy. Bago pa lang tong hotel na to. I think 1 year pa lang sila. So again, we took a risk kasi wala pa masyadong reviews, but it was really worth it though. So ito na yung pagpasok mo ng door. Ito na. So may complimentary sila na mga kape. Everything is available. Tawagan lang ang reception if we need anything else. So yan, may mga kape tayo dyan. Okay, may ref. Probably may mga drinks. Yep. Yan, hindi siguro to kasama. Kape lang siguro and water. Then may dito yung kama. Nice. May pa heart pa dyan with chocolates. So, nice. So, ito yung view. So, may TV din. Sup. Then, yan, overlooking the caldera. So, tapos, ito, may cabinet. May cabinet dito, which nakalagay yung gamit namin. Yan, sabit lang gamit dyan. And then, let's turn on the lights. So, ito yung bathroom. Stick, maliit lang. But, yan na siya. Ito na yung bathroom. Spacious na nice. Ayos. Yan na siya. Ganda. Static. Short story muna tayo. So, after namin mag-ikot sa EA, on the way back here, hindi kami nakapag-bus pa din. So, unfortunately, kasi wala talaga sa oras yung timings ng bus. We were willing to wait for more than 20 minutes. More than the time na in-expect namin. So, wala talaga. So, what happened was, may mga nagdaratingan ng mga taxi or parang taxi siya na van. So, na lang kami, nag-inquire kami. So, kung pwede ba kami ngiyate, then kung magkano, we had to pay 30 kasi kami lang yung nandun sa taxi. So, but what to do? So, yun yung mga options nyo if you're planning to come dito sa Santorini. If you plan to walk, it will be really impossible kasi sobrang layo. It will take an hour to probably walk there, maybe even more, diba? So, either take the bus, which we have not tried yet. Dun pa lang mula sa Fira lang papunta, dun pa lang from the airport to Fira, yun pa lang yung ano namin. And we haven't tried it yet ulit. So, your call kung anong ano nyo. But other than that, so far we've really had a good experience. For now, pahinga lang muna kami and then maybe take a plunge sa jacuzzi namin kasi sobrang init talaga. But for now, rest muna and see you ulit mamaya. Good afternoon everyone. So nakapagpahinga na kami. Currently it's 7:04 PM local time. And tingnan nyo naman yan. Oh, nasa tapat namin ang sunset. How can we not enjoy this view? So ito yung jacuzzi. Dito kami lumalangoy. Maya pa. We're just enjoying this beautiful view. Sobrang solid. Ganda. Sobrang peaceful dito sa area namin. Ganyan. Sobrang ganda ng view. Wala kaming kaagaw dito guys. Yan ako. Hello. Peace. Actually, right here sa harap ko, yan pala yung volcano. So, gaya ng na-share ko, isang buong island kasi to lahat. And then, nung nagkaroon ng volcano eruption, ayan na, nag-separate na. Yan, ito ang Emerovigli, another village na naman. Yan ang view namin. Talagang sinusulit namin ng ganda ng Santorini. Good evening guys. So for tonight magdi-dinner kami. So basically meron ditong malapit sa hotel, dyan lang, lakad ka lang palabas ng main road. Merong restaurant, ang pangalan niya Let's Eat. So nagbebenta sila ng mga burgers and of course souvlaki. So nag-order kami ng 3 kinds ng souvlaki. Souvlaki is parang shawarma nila na nasa pita bread lang. So 3 yung in-order namin. Una, I think ito, pork stick na souvlaki. Kita nyo. So siksik na siksik yan. May mga fries, onions, tomatoes, lettuce. Sobrang bigat nito. And then merong beef stick. So stick, yung stick so para siyang meaning ng siguro kebab style, yun yung term nila. So beef stick, souvlaki, yan, same. May fries, onions, tomatoes, may tzatziki sauce din yata kasi may puti dyan sa gilid. Ayan yung beef. And then yung traditional daw nila na Greek sausage. Yan, kita nyo naman may mustard siguro with everything the same. So natin itong traditional grate nila. Let's see kung papasaba sa panlasa natin to. Sobrang sisik na siksik guys. Let's try it out. Laki. Nice. Masarap. Itong beef. Yan itong beef. So, kita nyo naman yan. Let's see. Yeah, right. Pero sabi ko parang kakaiba yung lasa ng beef. Kasi pala, halo pala siya lamb and beef. So, I think it's a good combination. Hindi masyadong gamey, pero it has that distinct lasa ng lamb, diba? Pero, nagka-counteract yung beef doon. So, it becomes this really nice balanced flavor. Yeah, I like it. Saucy din. May tzatziki sauce siya. Yung texture niya, it resembles like parang longganisa. Kasi yung fat niya medyo chewy. Diba? Hindi siya melts in your mouth. Parang ganun. But, so far I like this. Unique yung lasa. Next up is yung pork. Ito parang may white sauce din. Siguro tzatziki din to. Let's have a go. Paano ba to? Sobrang laki kasi. Hindi pala sa tzatziki sauce. Para siyang blue cheese, I think. Some kind of cheese. Maybe feta cheese. Strong yung lasa ng feta. So, I could not taste yung pork. Hindi ko siya masyadong malasahan ngayon. Ibang sauce na lang siguro. Kasi matapang yung parang cheese sauce. Or yung feta sauce. But overall, masarap na. I like yung beef at saka lamb na combination. Good morning everyone. So today it's currently our last day and it's mga oras na ba? 8:15 na ngayon. So we just nakarating lang nung breakfast namin. So wala silang area para kumain. So they're just actually delivering our food dito sa room. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung spread natin. Ang ganda ng spread. Kasing ganda nung location. Kita niyo naman yan, no? Sheesh! Sobrang ganda. And as usual, waking up to this kind of view. There are some places talaga na you just can't compare, you know, when you wake up to. And this is probably one of them. Talagang sobrang memorable as kasama mo yung mahal mo sa buhay. Sheesh! You know, kita niyo naman, sobrang ganda. Sin how can you not enjoy this kind of view right here? You may enjoy to. You may enjoy yan. Kita nyo ba yan? We're looking the volcano, the villages, breakfast right here. Tara, kaya na muna tayo. Ano ba yan? This is our last day already. We're going na back sa Athens. So punta na kami, balik na kami ulit doon to take our bus back to the airport. So we really enjoyed our stay. Nag-enjoy kami. We have a couple of hours left. Currently it's 11 na. So yung flight namin is 3. So but we decided not to go around pa the place kasi maubusan na kami ng time. Also, in my mind, I'm thinking I want more reason to come back here siguro. God willing, let's see. But we definitely enjoyed this place. Siguro there are some places talaga na when you visit, it just makes you feel something unique siguro, and this is probably one of them. I feel different here. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung calmness of this country, of this place specifically. So, na-enjoy namin talaga. So, enough of my face. Tingnan nyo na lang to. Bye! Enjoyed staying here talaga. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Miss you, Santorini.
Bye! See you soon! Shee!